Hello everyone. Good morning. So time check is 7:30 a.m. and I am here again in my veranda area to share something new to you. So, good morning, good morning. I hope your morning is okay. So last night before my sharing, my real sharing on my real topic. So last night starting or yesterday at around 5 p.m. I was able to give water to them. I moistened all the pots. Yes, I just moist. I did not give full water. So you can see there's water on the rosette. Yeah. And most of them are really dehydrated. Their rosettes are closed. Yeah. So it's good that I was able to give them water. So I started from 5 p.m. because when I checked at 4:30, there's still sun shining directly on the succulent or sampat, especially this side. So it's not good to water them while the sun is still there because the soil mix is also hot. Then you suddenly put water, so the roots might get rotten. So what I did is I wait for the sun to totally. When the sun is totally gone, that's the time that I gave them water. So when I give them water, it's around 5 p.m. and then I started 5 p.m. and I finish at around 7 p.m. Yeah, why? Because during that 7 to I have to pick up water from the faucet in our bathroom in order to give water to the succulent because on this area in our veranda area it is where we hang our clothes and it doesn't really have any faucet here. Yeah. So it's really hard for me to water all of them. Yeah. So you can see my shadow there. So I'm wearing a hat. Sorry for my shadow. So my real sharing for today is let's go hunt and see some succulents that are purplish in color. So let's start. So for our aloes, I really don't have a purplish color of aloes, but some of my succulents, or if you are looking for succulents that are purplish in color, I can suggest that you get Arunpi. So Arunpi is one of the succulents that I can recommend for beginners because it is really too easy to propagate through stem cuttings and leaf cuttings, and it's really pretty when it's really full stress. So later you will see my other parts of Arunpi that is really pretty or purplish in color. The other one is this one is I'm not really sure. It's a combination of brown and purple color. So this is Choco Moonstone. So it's more on brown on color but a little bit purplish. And beside that Choco Moonstone is I have another pot of Arunpi. So as you could see there's water on the rosette because I watered it last night. So beside from Arunpi, another purple succulent is the purple haze. So this is how a purple haze look like. So the name suggests that it's purple when it's red. Unfortunately, it's not that really full stress, though it's pretty and you can still see the purplish color. So another one is our Peach Beauty. So Peach Beauty is also a succulent that have a purple color, yeah. And then beside this, I have a propagation of my Murasaki. So you will see a better view of Murasaki later. So, and another one is we have our ghost plant. So ghost plant's best color is usually brown in color compared to purple haze. But since it's not really fully stressed right now, you can see it's purplish in color. And then another one is our pink puppet. Actually, when it's stressed, it's purplish in color. But since I repotted these and cut the stem in order to propagate it, you can see it's not really fully purple. So let's see the other parts if they are purple in color. So on this track, we have Arun Pay, Purple Haze, yeah, Peach Beauty, yeah. So if you are looking for some purple succulent, then I can also suggest if you want a purplish color that is easy to grow, even though you just discard, I mean, even though you do not take care of this succulent or do not give them lots of attention, you will have a purple succulent by just leaving it alone. So this is our Graptopetalum myrinae. So I have two pots. So if you would see they're purplish in color because it's starting to get stressed. Yeah. So there are sunburn there. So but they are growing well. So when it is really full stress, it's purple in color. So our Mendoza have stress purplish color, but right now it doesn't have, though Somerset you can even see a little bit of purplish color. And this is my biggest part of our Arun Bay. So right now you can see how purplish the color of the Arun Bay. Yeah, there. So Arun Bay is really a purple succulent. Yeah. And then of course, as the name suggests, we have our Purple Delight, which is also very recommendable for beginners who want to collect succulents because it is really easy to take care, easy to propagate through leaf propagation and stem cutting. So this pot I ever started it last January, and most of the rosettes come from the front yard. So the early propagation there, yeah. And there's another pot of our Purple Delight. See how pretty it is. And then I still have here Purple Delight. Yeah. Then another pot and another pot of Purple Delight. Then the biggest rosette that I have, so it has the baby. So if you would notice the baby have farina. Actually, Purple Delight have thin farina. Yeah. So look how purplish it is. And then beside our Purple Delight, we have our Super Bomb. So Super Bomb is also purple in color, especially when it is fully stressed. So let's go and hunt or look for more purple color. So on this track, I still have another pot of our Arunpay, yeah, which is purple in color. And we also have this Rhaptopetalum ellen. Actually, it's purple in color when it is fully stressed, but right now it's not fully stressed. Then we also have another pot here of our purple haze. Yeah, there. And then for Echiverias, we have Gansu. It's color purple. And of course, we have our purple champagne. So I think it's giving flowers, but I'm letting the leaves grow so I can propagate it. So it is really purple champagne. So the name suggests it's purple. Then I have three parts of it. This one becomes smaller and smaller. Yeah. This one, it becomes lighter in color because of the farina. Then we have also the Hira. Hira is also purplish in color. Yeah. So sorry, my shadow is there. So I have two pots of Hira. And Beckia is a hybrid of agavoids. It's also purplish in color when it's dressed. Uh, this one is a combination of pink and purple. This is pink curls. Yeah. Our white one is also somewhat purplish in color. Our Orion is purplish in color. So the topmost part I still have. So here the Mendoza still have a little bit of purplish color when it's pressed. Then I have here another patch of our purple delight. Yeah. And then here are my Aron pink, which is so purple in color. So I have a patch here. So we have Aron pink, purple haze, peach beauty, purple delight, super bob. Yeah. And then we have Orion. So there are lots of purple succulents. So if you are really looking for purple succulents, this video is for you. So let's see what other. So I still have another purple light here, the purple, the light spot there. And then on this rack, we have our purple haze. So look how purplish is the purple haze. So purple haze is really a purple succulent. Yeah. Especially when it's really full size. It's so pretty. So this one is Murasaki. It's actually a combination of pink and purple, but it's more on purple color. Look how pretty, right? So there are two parts of Murasaki. Actually, Murasaki is so pretty, but it's not really very easy to take care or compared to Purple Delight and Super Bob. So you would notice the water on the rosette. Look how pretty and big this is the rosette. So let's go. So there are more parts here of our iron page. There's more three. One, two, and three. So hmm, I have here another propagation batch of my purple delight. Yeah. Then we have our Cryptopetalum Ellen, which is not really purplish in color right now because it's not fully stressed. Yeah. Then on this side, let's hunt or look for a purplish color. So we also have here our Hira. Yeah. And let's go there. Then we have our Orion. So if you would see beside it, we have our Crocodile there. So it's somewhat purplish and brown in color. Yeah. It's our Orion. And then we have our Laon, which is purplish in color too. Our Mule have purplish color and thread. And then we have our Marilyn, as it has somewhat purplish in color too. Our Amazing Grace. Yeah. And this one is also purplish in color. This is our Laon. So I forgot the idea of this one. I'm not so sure if this is Marilyn or Orion. Then we have another Amazing Grace, which have a purple color. So we have another pot of mule here, so you can see the purple color. Then actually blue frills have somewhat purplish and pinkish color. Yeah. So let's go to the stainless rock. So Lawrence's has somewhat purple in color. This is our Amazing Grace, have purplish. It's purplish in color. Our Neon Breaker has a touch of purplish color. Our purple card, as the name suggests, it has a purplish, though it's not yet fully stressed, but I can see purple color. Then we have another part here of Murasaki. Yeah. And then we have a purple delight. Missing You have purple color. Then another pack of Missing You. Then we have our Gansu, our Murasaki. And then here we have our Super Bomb. So this is my latest Super Bomb, which I bought last March. So let's go to the other rock. So we have here our Horizon. So Horizon is really purple in color. We have two pots of Murasaki. So our variegated balloon have a touch of purple. Then we have our purple core, as the name suggests, it's color purple. By Messi is also have a touch of purple color. Then we have our Bianca, our Laon, our Hira. So look at this pink puppet. The name is pink, but it's much closer to purple color when it's red. So we have our Missing You, I mean Bianca. Then another part of Bianca, which is purplish in color. Then we have Hira, another Missing You. So this Robidona is much on pink color. Then this is a clumping Missing You. Mm, and this is our Bianca. Yeah. And I think that's all the purple color that I could find. So I have this iron face, yeah, and I also have this propagation of purple haze. So I guess that's all the purple, or I think we have here. Beyond Faith and Full Express is also purplish in color, a combination of pink and purple. Yeah, we still have some more sake here. So I guess that's all my share for today. And I hope you like my sharing, and thank you for staying with me in hunting or looking for purple succulent. So if you are really looking for a specific color of succulent, especially purple succulent, I do recommend you to get Aron Face, Purple Delight, Grab the Petal on Myrni, Super Bomb. Yeah. Though some are not really easy to take or just like Purple Champagne, Kira. Yeah. And we also have Orion. It's also purple. Then we have Purple Haze, Murasaki. Yeah. So there are lots of succulents that have purple colors. So if you do like my video, please hit the like button. And if you do like my sharing, share my video to your friends, family, and relatives. So I hope you like my sharing. It's really hot now. That's why I'm making this video quick so I can end it already. So bye for now, and thank you so much for the support that you're giving me. So thank you. Take care. Have a nice day. Keep yourself hydrated. So bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye bye and God bless us all. Happy gardening, everyone.